For the paste printer we have seen several industries. One of them is the food industry, the other one is for the silicone industry. Another industry is the research industry. First you have to make a good recipe which is stable for printing. Then you can fill this food into the printer, into a syringe. And then you can print basically any geometry you like. One of the key features of our products is that we try to make it as user-friendly as possible. We have some automated features, for instance automatic calibration of both syringes, the bed leveling feature to ensure that the first layer is printed perfectly. We have intuitive touchscreen module which makes it easy to upload files and also to manage all your prints. We have an open syringe system which you can use a standard Lurlock syringe with any type of nozzle. So we have a heated build plate which you can keep the printed dish or food, you can keep it warm. And what is coming soon is that we can also heat up the syringe itself to ensure optimal temperature during the printing. We are able to add some features to it which you can automatically feed new build plates. It opens new doors for the food industry because you can print smaller batches of food in a cost-effective way.